Hello everybody, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've done in the Vampire Altered Composition Notebook. So I just wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I've already finished. So this is just going to be a quick video with a quick flip through showing you what I've done so far. So I hope you are all well and thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. So again, we have this front page and we have this pull out and then this flips up and then we have, and this is the start of the story. So let me move that out of the way so you don't have a shadow. I put my light in a different position, so I'm hoping this is a little bit better. It might be a little bit darker, but I don't think there's as much shadow. So on this page, we had done this page in the previous video, so I will link that for you up above if you have not seen this one. And what I did here was I have a picture of the actual Dracula, the Vlad Dracul. So I put a picture of him up on top, and then I made this pocket that kind of looks like a shirt. And then what I did was I put in a picture of Mina because I'm thinking that this might be something that he would carry on him, on his person. And then we have this tag that I made, and it is Chapter 1, Jonathan Harker's Journal. And it gives a little bit of information about the actual journal from the book. So I wanted to include that. And then this is the piece where I have everything stored into. So again, I turned down the flaps, I added some red dewdrops, and I will leave Carrie's information for dewdrops down below in my description box. And I just did a little, in I don't know, I just added a couple of things because I thought it looked too plain otherwise. So we have Mina, and then we have the Chapter 1. All right. And then we have this page, which is Jonathan. And this is his ticket to Austria on his way to Transylvania. And I wanted to, of course, have like his hat that he would wear. And then what I'm going to be doing is adding little, if I can find like little words and stuff to put here. So I put goodbye because he was leaving Mina for work to go meet Count Dracula. And then on this page, this is what I did off camera. So we added book page from Dracula from the book in the previous video. And then what I did was I took one of my digitals that has a doily, and I just used my distress ink and distressed it, and I added a couple of different pages behind it, and then I have the picture of Transylvania. I'll kind of come in a little bit so you can see it. So I have the little map of Transylvania, and then we have the carriage that is leaving from where he was staying before he actually went to Transylvania. So we have that picture. And then over here, I added some paper in the background. And then I have a picture of a bridge that he would have crossed. And then here is the road that his carriage had to go across for the mountainous areas. And then I have here ideal circumstances. And then here we have, how blessed are some people whose lives have no fears, no dreads, to whom sleep is a blessing that comes nightly and brings nothing but sweet dreams. Well, he's got sweet dreams until he gets to the castle. So, and then I added some ribbon here just to kind of break up the 2 pages. And then we have this page here. And again, we have the carriage, and it's actually starting to come up to the castle at night. And then we have a picture of the book by Bram Stoker, Dracula. I have some ribbon and some of the same trim from the other page, and I added some clear dewdrops. Now this page folds up and it is blank, so there's places for journaling here, there's places for journaling here. And then I have this ribbon that has like a haunted house, so I thought that was kind of appropriate, and it's the right color, it's red. So that is what I'm using as the tuck for the page on both pages. And then here, I need my glasses. I'm never going to be able to read that without my glasses. We have the same thing. We have the page where it pulls out, and it is white in the back. And again, I did the same type of trim. And then this says, "My friend, welcome to the Carpathians. I am anxiously expecting you. Sleep well tonight. At 3 tomorrow, the diligence will start for..." I have no idea. "A place, or it is kept for you. At the Borgo Pass, my carriage will meet you and will bring you to me. I trust that your journey from London has been a happy one and that you will enjoy your stay in my beautiful land. Your friend, Dracula." So we have that. And then we have a picture of the castle, and I backed this page, which kind of looks like a mirror or some kind of picture frame, and I figured that looked really good behind the castle. Now again, this flips up, and I have more of that ribbon on the back. And then we have Count Dracula coming down the stairs to go answer the door for Jonathan Harker. And then I just stuck in a plain tag, which I'm probably going to do some stuff to, but right now I just put it as a placer, so I know that I have to work on that. But that's what we have so far for that page. And then on this page, we have, again, from one of my digital kits, I have like this doily, and I distressed it with walnut stain. And then we have a picture of the front door of the castle. And then we have a picture of an image that could look like Dracula. And then we have, "Welcome to my house. Come freely, go safely, and leave something of the happiness you bring." And then for these 2 pullouts, I just have this in a black and gray type of wallpaper, and I have that just cardstock on the back. And then on this one, we have a little bit of teal, and this one I put "Time is money" because he is on a job. And then I added this picture, which is meant to be Jonathan Harker. And I have that here. And then here I have "Judge not from appearances," because when he first sees him, he is rather shocked at what he finds. So that is as far as I've got so far, let's put it that way. The story will continue. So if you are still interested in watching me do another page, or if you would prefer to just watch me show you pictures that have been already completed, please let me know down in the comment section. I would truly appreciate it. Because if you don't want to see me work on the pages, that's perfectly fine. I will just show you what I've completed. So thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. And this is video number 6 for this series. So I have a playlist. So if you are interested and you haven't watched any of the other videos, I do have this along with 5 other videos in a playlist. And as I continue, I will keep adding them into that playlist. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all for the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.